everyone, welcome to another adventure of Clogs on the Mountain. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today we're going on the Idwal Staircase, and then we're going to split the adventure up because it's going to be an awesome day. I'm not going to give too much away, but it's going to be one wild day. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Matthew's getting the rope ready. Matthew, okay today? Reese? And we're going up the Idwal Staircase. Here goes. The staircase. You're long on the list.
So I'm going in front of you, mate.
You're going in front of me?
Yeah,
You go for it, mate.
Just there, I haven't got the hat on, have I? Very silly left my hat.
Oh, this is really nice, this.
Oh, you know why it's called the staircase?
Yeah, it's like that elbow ridge, but a lot better rock.
Yeah, much better. Haven't done the elbow ridge only a few days ago.
You're going up? Yeah. Guys, do you want these? Let these go past?
Well, do you want? Should we just get?
Sure.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
After this first 10 metres, Kate, there's plenty of space.
Okay, alright. Yeah, well, we're going to have to take it slow. I've got other people in the middle. Yeah.
Business markings, mate.
I mean, do you feel?
Give him a little group test. Give it up.
I haven't got how nice it is to scramble and just move quickly.
Yeah.
Loose this, Kate. Kate,
That's why I was keen to
that's
do
loose.
Which is loose.
This one here.
Thank you. This is why I wanted keen to do some scrambling this weekend instead of climbing.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've done any big proper scrambling things.
Whew. Getting hot quick.
Yeah, you do.
Reese, just up in this corner there, there's a lot of them.
Right.
Most of that's all.
Okay.
Let's get on,
You know your bag's not tied around your waist?
isn't it? Bloody hell.
Can we cross over it?
Yeah, I did, yeah. Just, I mean, you can go up that way, but just up a bit.
Better.
It is now.
Yeah, watch out for that block above you there. That's,
Loose.
yeah, if you blew on it, it would come off.
It'd be a good ice climb this, wouldn't it, if it came in?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if it ever did.
That breakthrough ice climb. That's what I really want to do.
Yeah, Keith, just be careful if there's a big loose rock there.
Yeah.
That one in front of you.
Cheers, Reese. Ooh, nice bit of height.
Yeah.
Really nice and juggy, this rock. Great holes. Great holes. Every time I grab something, it just seems to have a nice finger behind it.
Finger goes in it.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Really nice. It's like little pockets in it.
Yeah. Weird how mankind uses nature to do for their pleasure, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice
Ooh,
lung opener.
that's awesome.
Is this your second time, Reese? You've done this one.
Yeah, but I can't remember it.
Yeah. They do blend into one, don't they?
I think we veered right quite early on because the staircase was absolutely saturated.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm not sure why we did, because even the wet bits are gripping.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but you don't want water washing down there if you're pushing down. It can get slimy.
I bet. That's a nice one. All right.
Starting a continuation here.
Yeah.
If you're meant to move over left
Gadgets, go away. Oh, lovely hold over there. Not completing the staircase, are we? Oh, whew. Just stopped out on the Idwal Staircase. Right, so that was the Idwal Staircase. Next adventure, we're going up the continuation, so tune in for that one. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. For now, thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. See you later.